As a child growing up in the country, I enjoyed the exciting sound of the rushing waters of the river, but my real interest was in the fishing, although I never caught a fish. Did you know there are over 100 rivers here in Jamaica? Yes, there is, but many are unexplored and not navigable. The height of the mountains cause these rivers to run swiftly in deep beds, and their courses are sometimes broken by waterfalls. Let us now take a look at some of Jamaica's rivers, their length and location. The Black River is the largest or widest river in Jamaica. It is 73 kilometers long, and for 28 kilometers from its mouth, it is navigable for small vessels. Today, there is an increased interest in rafting and other water sport activities on our rivers. Therefore, some of the once unexplored rivers are now used for these purposes. For the most part though, the rivers in Jamaica are still used for irrigation and domestic purposes, particularly by the rural folks. The Rio Minho is the longest river in Jamaica. It rises close to the mainland's geographic center, flowing generally south-southwest, reaching the Caribbean Sea at Carlisle Bay in the central south coast to the west of the island's southernmost point, that's Portland Point. The town of Maypen in Clarendon lies on the banks of the Rio Minho. We also have some underground rivers in the limestone region of Jamaica, for example, the Hectors and Cave rivers. It is worth noting that the parish of St. Ann is mainly of limestone formation and has no rivers in its interior. However, it has underground reservoirs that sometimes rise to the surface as lakes during exceptional rainfall. It is also said that the Moneague Lake, near Moneague in St. Ann, last rose in 1970, but disappeared in 1971. The three most popular rivers used for rafting in Jamaica are the Great River in St. James, the Rio Grande in St. Catherine, and the Matabele River in Trelawney. So here now is a list of the 22 main rivers in Jamaica, their length and location. Before we go any further, can anyone tell me the name of this Jamaican fruit? Please type your answer in the comment section down below. And it really takes a lot to do research and create these videos, so if you enjoy these videos, please support the channel by subscribing if you haven't done so already, or give the video a thumbs up if you already subscribed. To contact me personally in regards to contribution to the channel, please use the number on screen. Now, let's get back to naming rivers. The Black River in St. Elizabeth is 53.4 kilometers long. Buff Bay River in Portland is 22.2 kilometers long. Carburetor River in Westmoreland is 39.7 kilometers long. Deans River, also in Westmoreland, is 17.1 kilometers long. Great River in St. James is 46 kilometers long. Hectors River in Portland is 5.1 kilometers long. Hope River in St. Andrew is 19.6 kilometers long. Lucy East River in Hanover is 12.9 kilometers long. Lucy West River in Hanover is 14 kilometers long. The Martha Brae River in Trelawney is 32.5 kilometers long. Milk River in Clarendon is 36.4 kilometers long. The Montego River in St. James is 24.1 kilometers long. The Morant River in St. Thomas is 25.9 kilometers long. Negril River in Westmoreland is 15.3 kilometers long. Martin Garden River in St. Thomas is 34.9 kilometers long. The Rio Cobre in St. Catherine is 50.9 kilometers long. The Rio Grande in Portland is 34.3 kilometers long. The Rio Minho in Clarendon, which is the longest river in the island, is 92.5 kilometers long. The Rio Nueve in St. Mary is 24 kilometers long. The Wagwater River in St. Mary is 36.2 kilometers long. The White River in St. Ann is 27.4 kilometers long, and the Yellows River in St. Thomas is 36.9 kilometers long. I guess my community river, the Negra River in Mount Lebanon, that's the one I show you guys that run behind my house in St. Thomas, was too small to make this list, but good still. If you know of any other rivers that is not on this list, please let me know in the comment section below. It will really be appreciated. Did you find this video interesting or informative? Let me know by giving the video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to Elite Jamaica, consider doing so. Until we meet again here in Elite Jamaica, just want to say, y'all stay blessed.
Elite Jamaica. Don't forget to drop a like and a comment. Don't forget to subscribe.